Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me on another video in my balcony to table series. My husband and I will be going on a mini staycation, so I thought I'll make us a little snack to take along. And today's recipe is a childhood favorite, really simple to follow and perfect for the home baker. It's sardine puffs, which is similar to curry puffs, and it's perfect for afternoon tea or to take along with you on a picnic. So without further ado, let's head out to the balcony and get ourselves some curry leaves. Here's our potted curry leaf plant that's just turned 4 years old. It started out as a tiny little pot that you'll see right on the top of this picture here, and it's an easy one to grow at home. You can instantly smell the beautiful curry fragrance from the leaves just by touching it. I'll be using a sprig of this in my recipe today. Now if you would like your sardine puffs spicy, you can add fresh or dried chilies in. Our bird's eye chilies have mostly been harvested now and are kept in the freezer. But whether you have chilies growing at home or store-bought fresh or dried ones, you can use them to add some heat to this snack. The hero ingredient is of course sardines, and in particular sardines in tomato sauce. I love this one from Ayam brand for its flavor, and it comes in a good size of 425 grams. I get this at my local Asian grocers, but if you can't find Ayam brand, any canned sardines in tomato sauce should be alright. When emptying the can of sardines into a bowl, I leave behind some tomato sauce so that the mixture isn't too wet. Lightly mash the sardines up, then the remaining ingredients are half a brown onion, leaves. Here's some I have frozen from before. Bird's eye chilies or hot chili flakes if you already have these in your pantry. Curry powder to give a touch of color and a hint of spice. Simply dice your onion and roughly cut the curry leaves. Heat up a small to medium pan with a dash of oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here. In goes the onions. Soften them for about 2 minutes. Then add in the curry leaves and fry to bring out the lovely aroma. Sardines are already cooked and edible straight from the can, so this process doesn't take long as we're just adding more flavors to intensify the dish. Also, curry leaves provide that curry flavor, but isn't spicy, so if you have kids or prefer a non-spicy version, all you have to do is omit the chili and use mild curry powder instead. I only add half a teaspoon of curry powder, but you can definitely double this up. And to that, a lot of white pepper to further enhance the mix. Did you know the best white pepper comes from Sarawak? It's a state in East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. I'm using hot chili flakes today. A teaspoon is pretty mild for us, so you could double this as well if you like it spicy. I would usually use 3 to 4 bird's eye chilies in this, but as always, cook to taste and see if the balance of spice and flavors work for you. Preheat your oven, fan forced, at 220 degrees Celsius. Into a bowl, I crack an egg and beat it with a tablespoon of water for a simple egg wash. pastry, I use store-bought puff pastry to keep things really easy. There's no right or wrong in the shapes and sizes of your puffs. I usually make really simple triangle and rectangular ones in standard bakery sizes, but you can definitely do smaller bite-sized puffs, especially for parties and to feed a larger group. Brush the egg wash around the outer edges of the pastry. Here's where you can get really fancy with how you seal the pastry together. I go with the traditional fork design and I don't even line the edges up exactly, but you can definitely make this prettier if you like. Layer of baking paper on a tray, and once the pastry is transferred, brush with a nice coating of egg wash. Into the oven for 15 minutes, and here's the fun part. Let them cool on a wire rack, and that's our snack ready to go. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and if you have a jaffle maker, you can skip the puff pastry and the sardines would taste amazing in that too. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.